Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to do the classic wing liner in 2 easy ways. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like the video. First, I'm going to draw a short angled line from the outer corner of my eye as such. Then I'm going to draw another line from the outer edge towards the lash line, filling the gaps with the liner. Next, draw tiny strokes tracing the lash line. Finish the look with some kajal, some mascara and highlight the inner corner. For a dramatic wing liner, draw a longer angled line as such and connect the liner to the lash line and fill in the gaps. Move the liner brush, tracing your lash line. You can make it thinner or thicker to your liking. Finish it off with some mascara and some kajal. I have used the Maybelline Colossal Liquid Liner and Sephora Contour Eye Pencil for the whole look. For the cat eye look, very patiently extend the inner corner of your eye with your liner and draw the tiniest triangle and fill in the gap. This is the final look. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment below if you would like me to make more tutorials, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!